Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear students? This is your maths period. First recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. So beta, open page number 15. This is page number 15 and this is the part of exercise 1C. Today we will do question number 7, 8 and 9. So read question number 7 with me, bete. Divide the following numbers by 10. Three numbers you have been given and you have to divide it by 10. So the simple rule is, whenever we divide any number by 10, what we do? We cancel out the last zero of the number. So if we divide this number by 10, the answer will be 34708. Okay, the last zero is cancelled. Similarly, 238200, if we divide it with 10, the answer will be 23820. The last zero is cancelled. Similarly, in C, 194210, the answer will be 19421 because the last zero will be cancelled. Alright. Now come to question number 8. Divide the following numbers by 100. In 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So how many zeros will be cut from the numbers? Very good. 2 zeros will be cut from the numbers. So the part A, 18400. If we divide this number by 100, the answer will be 184 because 2 zeros will be cancelled. In part B, the number is 780000. If we divide it by 100, how many zeros will be cancelled? 2 zeros will be cancelled. So the answer will be 7800. In part C, 132700, 2 zeros will be cancelled out and the answer will be 1327. Alright. Now in question number 9, divide the following numbers by 1000. Whenever we divide any numbers by 1000, how many zeros should be cut? 3 zeros will be removed from the number. So part A, 856000. If we divide it by 1000, the answer will be cut 30 and the answer will be 856. Similarly, in part B, 892000, 3 zeros will be cancelled and the answer will be 892. In part C, 700000, 3 zeros will be cancelled and the answer will be 700. So beta, this is very simple rule. Whenever we divide by 10, 1 zero from the end will be removed. When we divide by 100, 2 zeros from the end will be removed. And when we divide by 1000, 3 zeros from the end will be removed. Okay, you have to do this in your book. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.